Good morning. Good morning. I don't know if you can hear me. Traffic is pretty heavy. It's 7:30 a.m. But I'm taping what's left of a mighty tree that I grew up with. Now, I made a video months ago, days ago, maybe last week. I don't know. I'm tired. About my tree being gone. This is the sister tree. Unfortunately, this tree died probably last year. But the cool part is that it's dropped quite a few parts of itself. And I plan on grabbing quite a few pieces of that tree for my own use. But it was a beautiful tree. According to the city, when bark starts to fall off of a tree like this, it's dead or dying. But it was a beautiful tree. Played on it and the one in front of my house several times. This morning, I came out to return my food offering to the earth. I wasn't quite sure where I was going to put it, but I think I'll put it at the base of this tree. Even though it's dead, I think I'm going to give it to the base of this tree because this tree's been here longer than me. This tree is older than myself. And I'm going to give it one last meal before they come and cut it down. Vicious protector of home and hearth. This dog has been barking at me probably for 10 years. I walk past this house at least 4 times a week, and he still barks. And I think you are adorable. You still bark, and you bark. Are you communicating with me? Yeah. Yeah. I thought so.